Hi, okay, so for our project, we have chosen the car park system, and basically, the way that the car park system works for our case is that basically it has 8 slots, and the way that it works is that when each car enters, the number keeps decreasing from 8 to 7 to 6, etc., until it reaches 0, and after that, the thing will turn to full. The LED display will show the letter F, which means that there are no more slots in the car park. And it works the other way around also, where when the car leaves, it will keep increasing by 1 until it reaches 8, when it is, all slots are available. So we will further explain this. Each of us will explain the codes. Basically, we chose three codes: the LED code, which shows the 7 segment, which is another code, and the last code is the counter code, where it counts increasing or decreasing.
Okay, this is the code for our counter, and it has 4 bits since it's 3 down to 0. And we have 3 process: clock, down, and reset. And if reset is 0, 8 will be displayed on the 7 segment. How the counter works: when the in sensor is active low, the count segment will be by default increased by 1, which is shown at here, which means that each car coming, the number display will increase according to the number of cars that enter, which in this case our limit is 8. When the out sensor is active low, the sensor is active high. The count signal will be decreased by 1, meaning the number display will decrease according to the number of cars that exit, which is shown here.
Okay, this is the code for the LED. As you can see, we have 4 inputs and 8 outputs, which is D3 to D0 for the inputs and Y0 to Y7 for the outputs. For the input, it's a 4-bit, and for the output is an 8-bit. Okay, so when everything is 0, all LEDs will light up, and it will keep decreasing by 1 when we press the down push button until when it's all 1, and all the LEDs will be off.
Okay, this is code 3, which is the 7 segment for the VHDL. We have 4 inputs, which is D3 all the way to D0, which is 3 down to 0, and we have the outputs, which is 6 down to 0, which is 7 bits from A all the way to G. So what I'm going to explain here is the output, which is going to display in the 7 segment. When everything is 0, it will produce the number 8, and so on and so forth.
Push down 5.
Huh?
Okay. Push down, the thing will go down. Okay, start already.
Dah ambil muka aku belum? Okay.
Dah.
From 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, full. Switch it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slots.